In this video, we will work out the addition and subtraction of fractions. Let's move on to the first sum. A is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Here we notice the denominators of both the fractions are different. In order to make the calculations easier, it is important to make the denominators same. Here we have one advantage. The denominator of the second fraction is a multiple of the denominator of first fraction. It is easy to convert the denominator of the first fraction by multiplying by 2. When we multiply the denominator by 2, we need to multiply the numerator by 2 in order to keep the value same. So we can write 1 by 3 as 1 by 3 multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 2 plus the second fraction. So this becomes 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. Now here we notice both the denominators are same. So the calculation becomes easier. We need to just add the numerators and write the common denominator 6, which is equal to 3 by 6, and on further simplification it is 1 by 2. Now in the same method we can calculate the second sum, 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Here also the denominators are different, but the interesting part is both 6 and 3 have a relation and they are either factors or multiples. So it's easy to convert the denominator of second fraction to 6 by multiplying by 2 and keeping the first fraction as it is. So 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3 into 2, and same you have to multiply with numerator. This is equal to 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. This is subtract the denominator, keeping the denominator same. So 5 minus 2 is 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 on further simplification. Now moving on to the next sum. The method is same for the addition of the two fractions, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. Here the denominators are multiples or factors of each other. Since 2 is a factor of 6, we can convert this to 6 by multiplying by 3. So this becomes 1 by 2 into 3. At the same time, we have to multiply the numerator also with 3 plus 1 by 6. So this is equal to 3 by 6 plus 1 by 6. This is equal to 3 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 4 by 6. And on further simplification, it is 2 by 3. Now let's do one sum related to subtraction. 11 by 20 minus 2 by 5. Here 20 is a multiple of 5. The denominator of the first fraction 20 is a multiple of the denominator of the second fraction. So the denominator of the second fraction can be changed to 20 by multiplying by 4. So it is 11 by 20 minus 2 by 5. To make it 20, you have to multiply by 4. The same you have to do in the numerator, also multiply by 4. So this is equal to 11 by 20 minus 8 by 20. Now this is nothing but 11 minus 8 by 20. This is equal to 3 upon 20. Since 3 by 20 is the simplified form and proper fraction, the answer is 3 by 20. Now, moving on to question number 3. If you look at the sums, you could see the denominators are different, but the denominators are neither factors or multiples of each other. Some of the denominators are prime numbers. Now in this case, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5. We simply multiply the denominators. 3 times 5, 15. The method is like this. If you are finding the LCM, first you need to factorize. You have to see the prime factor which divides 2 and 5. Since 2 is not a prime factor, a common factor of 3 and 5, we have to move on to the next common factor, 3. 3 times 1, 3. Since 5 is not divisible by 3, we have to write the number as it is. The next prime number is 5. So the LCM is 15. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Now the denominator is the LCM. So we write the numerator by dividing this LCM by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5 and multiply the numerator with 1. So this is 15 by 3 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 15 by 5. 15 by 5 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So this is equal to 8 upon 50. So this is the answer. Let's move on to do one sum related to subtraction. 8 by 9 minus 3 by 4. Here we need to find the LCM of 4 and 9. Now 4 is divisible by 2. So 2 times 2, 4. 9 is not divisible by 2. We will write the number as it is. Now again there is one number 2 which is divisible by 2. 2 times 1, 2. 9 is not divisible by 2. So write as it is. Now there is no number that is divisible by 2. Moving on to the next prime number, 3. Write 1 as it is. 3 times 3 is 9. Again 3 is the factor. 3 times 1, 3. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is 2 times 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 times 3, 36. So the LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. Now, what to write in the numerator? First, LCM divided by the denominator. 36 by 9 is 4. 4 times 8 is 32 minus 36 divided by 4 is 9 and 9 times 3 is 27. So 32 minus 27 is 5 upon 36. Now moving on to the next sum, question number 5 is a word problem. In a hockey squad, 1/3 of the players are short, 1/4 of the players are medium height, and the rest are tall. What fraction of the squad are tall? Now we will write the steps. Fraction of the squad who are short is equal to 1 by 3. Fraction of the squad who are of medium height. This is equal to 1 by 4. Now, first we will find the sum of the fractions. This is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. LCM is 12. 12 by 3 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 12 by 4 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So this is equal to 7 upon 12. Now we have to find the fraction of the squared who are tall. Since given rest are tall, so fraction of the squared who are tall, this is equal to, you can see in this fraction, out of 12, 7 are short and medium height. So the remaining will be 5 out of 12. So this can be done by 12 by 12 minus 7 by 12. This is equal to 12 minus 7 by 12, which is equal to 5 upon 12. Now we will work out the calculations. Here the sum is 4 divided by 2 by 3. The operation is division. We can write this 4 by divided by 2 upon 3 like 4 into, when we convert this division to multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Reciprocal of the second fraction is 3 by 2, which is equal to 4 times 3 is 12 upon 2 is equal to 6. Now moving on to the second sum, 8 divided by 4 by 5. So this is equal to 8 into 5 by 4, which is 8 means 8 by 1. So here we will multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. So this is equal to 40 upon 4 is equal to 10. Let's move on to do one more sum. 9 divided by 3 upon 4. So this is equal to 9 into 4 by 3. 9 means 9 by 1. Now when we multiply the two fractions, we multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators together. 9 into 4 by 1 into 3. So this is equal to 36 by 3, which is equal to 12. Now let's move on to question number 10. The area of path is given. Its a diagram shows a path and area of the path is given. One dimension is given, that is the width of the path is 3 by 4, and we need to find the length of the path. So we will write first what is given. Area of the path is equal to 10. Width of the path, this is equal to 3/4 meter. Now we know, we can see the path is rectangular in shape, and we know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So A is equal to L into B, and A by B gives the length. So L is equal to 10 upon 3 by 4, which is same as 10 divided by 3 by 4, and that is 10 into 4 by 3. This is equal to 40 upon 3. This on further simplification, this gives 13 1 by 3 meter. Since the dimension is length, the unit is in meter. Now we have another type of sum where we need to use another strategy to do these calculations. Let us do one by one. The first sum, 4 divided by, we need to simplify what is given within the bracket. Since both the fractions are same, it is 2 times. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So this is equal to 4 into 3 by 2. So this is equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. Now in this sum, we can see within the bracket, both the fractions are different, the denominators are different. Here we have to adopt a different strategy. So 11 by 12 we will write as it is minus LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. The numerator will be 6 by 2, 3, 3 into 1, 3, plus 6 by 3 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2. So this is equal to 11 upon 12 minus 5 by 6. Now here we have to find the difference of two fractions, but there is one advantage. You can see the denominators, they are multiples or factors. Now we can make the denominator same by changing the denominator of the second fraction to 12 by multiplying by 2. So 11 by 12 minus 5 by 6 times 2, numerator also we have to do the same thing. This is equal to 11 by 12 minus 10 by 12, which is 11 minus 10 by 12 is equal to 1 upon 12. Here we have the next sum is different from the previous two sums. Here we have two fractions and two brackets. So this is equal to, here in the first bracket we have to find the LCM. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4, or we can do it by another method, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. The denominator can be made 4 by multiplying by 2, and repeat the same process in the numerator of multiplying by 2. This is equal to plus, and this is the first bracket into in the second bracket we can see both the denominators are same, so we just need to find the difference of the numerator, and the denominator is 9. So next step is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 into 3 upon 9. This is 1 plus 2 by 4 into 3 by 9. So this is equal to 3 by 4 into 3 by 9. When we multiply the two fractions, we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So 3 into 3 by 4 into 9. So this is equal to 9 by 36, which is equal to 1 by 4 on further simplification. We will try this next sum because this sum involves mixed numbers. So 4 1 by 3 is equal to 13 by 3 plus 29 by 3 divided by 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. So this is equal to, since the denominators are same, we just need to add the numerators. 13 plus 29 upon 3 divided by, here the denominators are different, so we have to make it same by changing the denominator of the first fraction. 2 by 5 into 2, multiply 2 with the numerator also, plus 3 by 10. So this is equal to 13 plus 29 is 42 upon 3 divided by 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10. So this is equal to 42 upon 3 divided by 7 by 10. So this is equal to 42 by 3 into 10 by 7. 7 times 6, 42. So this is 6 into 10 by 3. 3 times 2, 6, which is equal to 20. Now, moving on to the next sum. Here you can see 4 cards. Sarah works out the answers to these calculation cards. A is 3 times 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Similarly, we have 3 more cards are given. And Sarah says the answers to these cards can be rearranged to form 2 different sequences of numbers. Write the first term and the term-to-term rule of the sequences you find. Now let's see what is the final result of the 4 cards. We will simplify the card A. 3 times 3 by 4 in plus 3 by 4. So this is 3 times, since the denominators are same, we can directly add the numerators. 3 plus 3 by 4. This is 3 times 6 by 4. This is equal to 18 upon 4. 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 9, 18. 9 by 2 means 4, 1 by 2. Let's simplify card number 2. 2 minus 7 by 10 minus 1 by 5. This is equal to 2 minus, make the denominator same, 7 by 10 minus 1 by 5 into 2, multiply the same number in the numerator. 2 minus 7 by 10 minus 2 by 10. This is equal to 2 minus 5 by 10. This is equal to 2 minus 5 by 10. Now, the denominator of the first fraction is 1. We have to make it 10. So multiply both the numerator and denominator by 10. So 2 into 10 upon 1 into 10 minus 5 by 10. This is equal to 20 by 10 minus 5 by 10. This is equal to 15 by 10. This is equal to 1.5. 1.5 means it is 1.5. This is equal to half of 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1 by 2. Moving on to the next card, we will simplify the next card. 4 times 2 by 3. We will convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction, which is 8 by 3 minus 1 by 6 is 7 by 6. So this is equal to 4 times. Since the denominators are same, we have to make it same. We have to multiply the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 2. 8 times 2 by 3 times 2 minus 7 by 6. So this is equal to 4 times 16 by 6 minus 7 by 6. So this is equal to 4 times 16 minus 7 by 6, which is 4 times 9 by 6. This is equal to 36 by 6, which is equal to 6. We will simplify the fourth card, the card D. 6 divided by 34 by 9 minus 17 by 9 is 16 by 9. So 6 divided by 34 minus 16 by 9. So 6 divided by 34 minus 16 is 18 upon 9. So 89, 9 can be simplified. So 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. Now here you can see the simplified form of the 4 cards. 4, 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 6 and 3. If you rearrange, you could see the numbers can be arranged in ascending order, starting from 1, 1 by 2, 3, 4, 1 by 2 and 6. Here the first term is 1, 1 by 2. The next term is obtained by adding 1, 1 by 2. The third term is obtaining by adding 1, 1 by 2 to 3. And fourth term is obtained by adding 1, 1 by 2 to third term. So here the term to term rule is add 1, 1 by 2. Similarly, if we rearrange, starting with the larger value, we get another sequence 6, 4, 1 by 2, 3, 1, 1 by 2. Now here the first term is 6. This second term is obtaining by subtracting 1, 1 by 2. So here we notice in the first sequence of numbers, the subsequent values are obtained by adding 1, 1 by 2. And when we change the order of the sequence, starting with the larger value, the subsequent values are obtained by subtracting 1, 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Hope everyone understood. We will do few sums in the next video.